Hi, I'm Josh Kumpston. We're here with our second construction corner. Again, I just want to thank everybody for voting to invest in our children and the community to allow us to build this school. You've probably driven by and wondered what was going on. Well, I want to kind of tell you what's happening. Site work remains the primary focus, and so that's what they've been working on and will continue working on in the future. The mass grading of the property that should be done later this week. There is some storm sewer installation underway. You can maybe see that behind me. Those guys are putting some storm sewer lines in. Storm Tech is going to start maybe next week, and so they're going to get started with that. And then the site fencing has been installed, and I'm sure if you've been by, you've seen that site fencing and you know something's going on behind the fence. But all of this dirt has been brought in. I think they brought some of the areas up quite a few feet to make it level, so that they're able to build on it. So right now, a lot of this dirt in the background is in the settling process. Once they're given the all clear, they're gonna go ahead and they'll start dropping footings and start preparing things for the steel work. That'll be later this summer. Kenna has put together a really neat time-lapse video that's gonna follow this, where you get a chance to watch the dirt come in, get compacted, get moved around, get blended in, and all that kind of stuff that they did over the last 6 weeks in fast forward motion. So I hope that you enjoy her work, and I hope that you enjoy the video. Thank you.